Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to practice a slow and easy English conversation together. This lesson is designed for English learners who want to improve listening and speaking skills naturally. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation. Today's conversation is about daily life, family, hobbies, work, dreams, and simple experiences. The speaking style is slow and clear so you can follow easily. Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well, thank you. How about you? I'm feeling good today. The weather is nice, and I had a relaxing morning. That sounds wonderful. What did you do this morning? I woke up early around 6 o'clock. Then I drank a cup of coffee and went for a short walk outside. Really? Do you enjoy morning walks? Yes, I do. Morning walks help me feel calm and fresh before starting the day. That sounds healthy. I usually wake up late on weekends because I enjoy sleeping more. I understand. Sometimes extra sleep feels very relaxing after a busy week. What do you usually do after waking up? First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I prepare breakfast and check my phone for messages. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Most of the time, I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Sometimes I also drink tea or coffee. That sounds delicious. I enjoy simple breakfasts too. Do you cook your own meals often? Yes, sometimes I cook for myself and my family. I enjoy learning simple recipes. That's great. Cooking is a very useful skill. Yes, I think so too. Cooking at home feels healthier and more comfortable. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is fried rice with chicken and vegetables. That sounds tasty. I really enjoy noodle soup and curry dishes. Do you like spicy food? A little bit, but not too spicy. Very spicy food makes me sweat too much. That's funny. My father loves spicy food very much. Really? Yes, he always adds extra chili to almost everything. I think many people enjoy spicy food because it adds strong flavor. That's true. By the way, what do you usually do during your free time? I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and practicing English. That sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like? I mostly enjoy soft and calm music. It helps me feel peaceful. I also like relaxing music, especially during the evening. Do you play any sports? Not regularly, but sometimes I play badminton with my friends. That sounds fun. I enjoy walking more than sports because it helps me relax and think clearly. Walking is very good for both physical and mental health. Yes, I agree. Do you enjoy studying English? Yes, very much. Sometimes English feels difficult, but I enjoy learning new words and improving my speaking skills. That's wonderful. Learning a language takes patience and practice. Yes, especially listening practice. Sometimes native speakers talk very fast. I understand. That's why slow and easy listening practice is very helpful for beginners. Exactly. Listening slowly helps learners understand pronunciation and sentence structure better. How do you practice your English every day? Usually, I listen to English videos, read simple stories, and practice speaking aloud. That's a very good method. Consistency is important for language learning. Yes, even small daily practice helps over time. Do you feel more confident speaking English now? A little more than before. I still make mistakes sometimes, but I try not to feel afraid anymore. That is the correct attitude. Mistakes are part of learning. Thank you. I think confidence grows slowly with practice. Absolutely. What kind of movies do you enjoy watching? I enjoy comedy and adventure movies because they help me relax. That sounds nice. I enjoy emotional movies and inspiring stories. Do you have a favorite movie? Yes, I really like movies about friendship and personal growth. Interesting. I enjoy movies with strong life lessons too. Movies can also help improve English listening skills. That's true. Watching movies with subtitles can help learners understand vocabulary and pronunciation. Exactly. Do you prefer staying at home or going outside? I think I enjoy both, depending on my mood. Sometimes I like staying home quietly, but other times I enjoy going outside with friends or family. That sounds balanced. What places do you enjoy visiting? I enjoy parks, coffee shops, bookstores, and quiet places with nature. Nature feels very relaxing after busy days. Yes, especially during the evening or early morning. Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, although I do not travel very often. I enjoy visiting new places and learning about different cultures. Traveling can create wonderful memories. That's true. If you could visit any country, where would you go? I would love to visit Japan someday because I admire the culture, food, and peaceful atmosphere. That sounds exciting. Japan looks beautiful in photos and videos. Yes, especially during cherry blossom season. What about you? Which country would you like to visit? I would like to visit Switzerland because I love mountains and peaceful scenery. That sounds amazing too. Do you enjoy taking photos while traveling? Yes, I enjoy capturing beautiful moments and landscapes. Photos help preserve memories. That's true. Sometimes even simple photos can remind people of meaningful experiences. Exactly. What is your biggest dream for the future? I want to improve myself, become successful in my work, and help my family live comfortably. That is a very kind dream. Thank you. What about your future goals? I want to become more confident, continue learning, and live a peaceful and meaningful life. That sounds wonderful. I think happiness is not only about money. Peaceful relationships and good health are also important. I completely agree. Many people become too busy chasing success and forget to enjoy life. Yes, balance is very important. Do you think social media affects people too much today? Sometimes, yes. Social media can be useful, but too much time online can also create stress and distraction. I agree. Many people compare themselves to others online and feel unhappy. That's true. I think spending real time with family and friends is more meaningful. Absolutely. Speaking of family, are you close with your family? Yes, very close. We often eat dinner together and talk about our day. That sounds warm and comforting. Family support is very important during difficult times. Yes, it really is. Do you help your family at home? Of course. I help clean the house, wash dishes, and sometimes cook meals. That's responsible and helpful. Thank you. Small actions can make family life easier for everyone. Exactly. What makes you feel happy in daily life? Simple things make me happy. Listening to music, drinking coffee, having peaceful conversations, and spending time with loved ones. That sounds beautiful. I think happiness often exists in small daily moments. I agree completely. Many people search for happiness in big achievements but forget to appreciate ordinary life. Yes, ordinary moments can become the most meaningful memories later. That is very true. Do you enjoy reading books? Yes, especially books about personal growth and life lessons. Books can teach many valuable ideas and perspectives. Absolutely. Reading also improves vocabulary and imagination. That's another reason why reading is excellent for language learners. Yes, especially simple English stories for beginners. What advice would you give to English learners? I would say, practice every day, do not fear mistakes, and stay patient with yourself. That is excellent advice. Language learning takes time, but steady practice creates progress slowly. Exactly. Even 10 or 15 minutes of practice daily can make a big difference over time. Consistency is more important than perfection. Very true. Sometimes learners become discouraged because progress feels slow. Yes, but improvement often happens little by little. One day, learners suddenly realize they understand more and speak more naturally than before. That moment feels very rewarding. Absolutely. Do you think confidence is important for speaking English? Yes, confidence is very important. Even simple English sounds better when spoken with confidence. I agree. Fear often stops learners from practicing enough. Exactly. The best way to improve speaking is simply to continue speaking regularly. Practice creates confidence, and confidence improves communication. That is a very powerful idea. Thank you. Well, this conversation has been very relaxing and enjoyable. Yes, I enjoyed it very much too. Slow conversations are excellent for practicing listening and speaking naturally. Absolutely. I hope English learners listening to this conversation feel more relaxed and confident. Me too. Learning English should feel encouraging, not stressful. Exactly. Thank you so much for spending time listening and practicing English with this conversation today. I hope this slow and easy English conversation helped improve your listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence. Remember, language learning is a journey that takes patience, consistency, and courage. Do not worry about mistakes. Every mistake helps you improve. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing a little every day. Step by step, your English will become stronger and more natural. Thank you again for joining this lesson today. Take care, stay positive, and continue your English learning journey with confidence. See you in the next video.